I'm quite excited about this one. Today I'm going to give mead a try. Now, I've definitely had trouble sticking with recipes in the past, so today I'm going to pretty much stick exactly to the recipe that's provided by City Steading, so I'll provide a link. So let's get going. Step 1, 60 grams of raisins, some orange peel and a tea bag. Right, chopped up the raisins and chopped up some orange peel. That's about 2/3 of the orange peel. And we're going to add a tea bag and also some water. Now, slightly different to what I've done previously, where I've just used tap water. Today I'm going to use bottled water. So I'm just going to bring that to the boil and then let the tea steep. Well, we would if the cooker was working. Okay, cooker's working. So here we go. Other thing about the raisins, these are literally just raisins and sort of no additives or anything else, which was interesting when we were doing the cider and there was sunflower oil in the dried fruit. Boil and wait for 15 minutes. First step, 1.6 kilograms of honey, new funnel. So, see with that. Not exactly sure how this is going to go, but let's see. Filled up the funnel really quick. That's 400 grams, so almost a quarter. I sort of imagined it would flow through more quickly. Probably need to warm up the honey. Right, I'm on 1.4, bit of overflow. Tea bag is out, bit of honey to wash through. About half the water, and then we're going to give it all a good shake. It's much easier to make a mess with this step than I imagined. Keep adding water, keep shaking. Now this step adds oxygen, which in the next step with the yeast will be quite important. But all that honey at the bottom seems to be mixed in. We're good. So what I'm also going to do is take a hydrometer reading. On a hydrometer. Quite a lot of foam here. This is going to be interesting. So that reading comes out at 11:14. Last step, fitting the airlock. I'm going to give it a little bit of a swish every day or two, just to sort of keep it going, just for the first couple of weeks. And this is where patience will come in. So that's it. I've just got to wait. I look forward. took long enough to make my coffee go cold.